Okay, hello everyone. So today I installed the new XenServer 8. So the one that no longer has Citrix in it. So I couldn't find the word Citrix in Xen. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Where is the XenServer? Okay, we also have a new Xen Center, and I tried to open it with the Citrix Xen Center. It doesn't work. It doesn't allow you to add this Xen server. I do not have a license for it. I believe you cannot even license it because it's in trial edition. Um, Looks the same, but it's different. I mean, you can install both Xen Center consoles. So as you can see, um, the current one, the Citrix Xen server, has the publisher's Citrix system, and it seems like XenServer, the new XenServer, is the cloud software group. So I believe they sold it, or they want to make a little more money by asking money for the hypervisor itself. Because as we all knew, the hypervisor, the normal hypervisor, the Citrix XenServer, did not request additional licensing. If you had Citrix, then you also had licenses for XenServer. Okay, so we don't care about money. We just want to see if it works and how it works. So I've just installed it, and I immediately tried to update, of course. And the update process changed a little bit. It's still asking you if you have also, I didn't try to add a normal XenServer to this console. I will try it later, but let's go with the update process. Or maybe let's go cancel and go to tools, and first thing you have to do is to go to configure updates. So you have an option, the normal channel. I believe those are updates uh, that are tested, and early early access. Early access, I believe, if you install those early access updates, the Xen might crash from time to time. But nevertheless, I went with the normal channel, and selected here daily. It's in my lab, so it's not productive. Okay, and it went and it searched for some updates, found a few of them, and now I'm curious to see how it's behaving. I would like to. We found a lot of updates. I just want to install a few updates, and in a later video I will install a VM and try to create a MCS catalog to see if it works or not. Maybe it will not work because it's in trial, but I will definitely try. So let's go back to tools and install updates. And next, automated updates, because I do not know where to download those supplementary pack, and just go with next. Select my Xen, next, and it will restart the tool stack. We recommend it. Okay, evacuate server. Yeah, I don't have any VMs on it, so reboot server, let's go. Next. Okay, install updates. In this process, I believe it will take some time. It's 1 out of 27. I will pause the video and get back to you when it's done. Okay, so after tool stack restart and after a reboot, it seems that it has finished. Okay, we have here 2 errors. Let's see. The lost connection, that is not important. All updates available synchronized have been installed. Great, 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 great. So let's attach an NFS share. I want to attach an NFS share. I do see that it also already has the PVS accelerator module installed. I have a little bit of memory. I can create a VM, but I need the storage. Okay, new SR, NFS, NFS. Next, I do have an NFS server. I believe it's 50 and it's NFS slash, and that's all I know. Let me see. It's something with test lab, NFS test lab, NFS2, and it's NFS4 scan. Share, try again. Doesn't like my NFS. Yeah, because I didn't type it correctly. Okay, I have a 2 here. Now one more time. Okay. Oh, this is from another XenServer. So we go with create a new one, finish NFS, and we have a little bit of space. Storage. It's empty. Okay. Now let me try to install a VM. Let me try to install a VM. This one, settings. Have to push an ISO. Browse. We have here Microsoft. Let's install 2022. Of course, yes, yes. Okay, one more time because I know he's not doing as I told him. Okay. Okay, let's try to install a new VM. New VM 2020 64-bit. Next. 2022 test. Okay, we use the CD-ROM. Oh, we have a little bit of RAM. 2 GB should be enough. Storage, okay. On the NFS. Next. Do not start the V8. Great. Okay, it was fast. Okay, I will continue the rest of of the installation. It looks good. I will come back with another video. I will try to add this XenServer to a Citrix site and try to create a machine catalog, an MCS machine catalog. Thank you for watching.